Hey everybody, it's Ron and Ellie with Kai's company, the Ron Ellie team. And today we're here at Harbor Cove. We're at our listing 2460. We have an open house from 1 o'clock to 3:30 today. We have signs out on Seaway Drive indicating the open house, so please give us a shout. We'll help you navigate through the gate. You can reach us at 772-999-4365. This is a wonderful, wonderful listing. It has a brand new roof. It has new all-impact glass. It has a wonderful 40-foot slip, new flooring, redone kitchens and baths. This house is just waiting for somebody. And that boat slip, I did a video earlier about it. It's just phenomenal. It's super convenient and just a great community. So be sure to come out here today and visit us. We could certainly use the company, yes. So come on out and check it out, right? Harbor Cove, one of the most sought after communities in Hutchinson Island on North Beach. So definitely a boater's paradise. So come on out, we'd be more than happy to see you. And Ellie, do you want to add anything to it?
No, come on by.
Come on by.
Check this wonderful place out.
Excellent. So we hope to see you again 1 to 3:30. Give us a call here at 772-999-4365. And we're delighted to see you, all right? So check us out.